Hi, I'm David Xavier Wesley.
And I'm Robert Xavier Wesley.
We got married in 2020, and we expected to come to Arkana that year. Of course, a lot happened, and we were just recently able to experience a week here in this beautiful Sacred Valley, beautiful space, and we're just going to talk a little bit about our experience.
Yeah, so today is the Friday before the very last day, Saturday when we leave. Coming in, I had great expectations. I had certain intentions, but as I understood through the maestros and the facilitators, Mother Aya is going to give you what you need, not just what you want. So there's a lot of things I wanted. I can truly say I got everything that I needed, and I am reborn in a sense. I am a new person, and the this environment, fellow participants, the maestros, the facilitators were all an integral part of my growth here, and I couldn't be happier of having this experience of going through this, especially with my husband.
It's such a safe space here, and which really allows for that deep healing to take place. And I would say if you're watching this, that you're probably already being invited. I know that when I was looking into ayahuasca, I felt a deep calling. There was something inside of me inviting me, and Arkana was such a beautiful, safe space to experience this. Personally, I experienced myself, and it's the greatest gift I could have received, and it's also the greatest gift that I think we could have received as a couple. We love each other dearly, and we're so happy with each other, but this will only deepen our connection and deepen our communication. So I'm just so grateful to have experienced this, and I would encourage anyone who is looking to heal, who's looking to understand themselves more and have more fulfillment in their life, to come.
I'd like to also add for couples who are thinking about coming, when we told folks about ayahuasca and what we're going to do, of course being a life-changing event, folks are saying, well, should you do that together? Like, what if you change or find out you don't want to be together or something like that? And that never crossed our mind. We only looked at the growth that we're going to get individually and how it's going to enhance our lives and how it's going to make our lives better. So I strongly encourage couples to come and experience this together. It's a really wonderful way to open up in this safe space and grow together. And really have, especially new couples, that foundation of love is made even stronger. And I just feel so enriched by this entire process.
Yes, I agree.